Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. So today I'm going to be doing a product review on Northwish Naturals products. As you can see in my hand, I have shown you now the shampoo, the conditioner, the leave-in conditioner, as well as the gel. Now my hair looks a bit crusty right now. I am absolutely sure that I couldn't even stick a comb through it at that point. So now I'm gonna be washing my hair in this cold shower. I'm absolutely dying. I was dying, okay, I was dying. Anyway, so I'm just trying to thoroughly wet my hair. I'm going in with this shampoo right now. As you can see, the consistency of it is very smooth and it's a bit runny. It smells amazing. Applying the shampoo to the roots of my hair because that's what shampoo's main purpose is. I'm now going in with my little gadget that I bought from Amazon. Rinsing out the shampoo, my hair is absolutely feeling great at this point in time because the shampoo is very cleansing. It does a thorough cleanse, and you can even feel afterwards that your hair doesn't feel any oily or anything like that. Now I'm gonna go in with the conditioner. By the way, the conditioner smells absolutely great as well. It's kind of like has a medicinal smell in it. My hair is a bit thick, so I just let the conditioner rest in my hair for some time so that it's much easier to detangle. Nope, don't do that. Comb your hair from the bottom first because that is the right way to comb your hair. It basically detangles faster and you lose less hair, and it's much easier to detangle that way. Instead of going from root to tip, you go from the tips and then you work your way up to the roots. As you can see, I've detangled really quickly. Can you see? I haven't even lost that much hair. So here's my hair after the conditioner is in it. I'm now going to be rinsing the conditioner out, and my hair is fully detangled. It didn't even take long to detangle my hair. Guys, washing in cold water is not for the faint of heart, honestly. So I hope you enjoyed the video thus far. Yeah, my hair is now freshly washed, and okay, so now my hair's gotten a little bit dry, and I'm now going to go in with the leave-in conditioner, which is absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, it has a paste-like consistency and smells absolutely great as well. So I'm applying the leave-in conditioner from the lengths of my hair up to the roots because that's what it's meant for. It's meant for the lengths of your hair, not actually like for your scalp or anything. So I'm going in and I am using the praying hands method. Now going in with the gel. It has flaxseed in it, like a jelly-like consistency. Praying hands method and scrunch. Praying hands method and scrunch. As you scrunch, it goes up, and the praying hands method is basically to evenly distribute the products. Now I'm done. See, my curls are popping. It's looking cute.
One eternity later.
My hair is now fully dry, like 100% dry. This is the final result. As you can see, my curls are very defined. Like, so yeah, the last thing that's left for me to do now is to apply some oil, and then I'll be good to go. Anyway, so this is what I usually do when I want to pick out my hair. I just go As you can see, my hair is now becoming more like a voluminous because I'm now trying to fluff it out and make it bigger. Okay, and when I'm done with this, then yeah, I'm good to go. As you can see, Northwish Naturals products really do yield results. Anyways guys, thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I would appreciate it if you do that. If you want to buy the products, I will leave the link down below in the description box, and you can visit their website, or you can go on Instagram and you can check their page. It's Northwish Naturals. And yeah, copy some of these products because it really does wonders, you guys. Anyways, bye. I'm out.